In today's video, we're going to show you how to enable privacy mode on Iperius Remote. Before we start, let's explain what privacy mode is. Privacy mode is a feature designed to increase confidentiality and security during remote connections. When it is enabled, the remote computer's screen turns black. The user at the remote machine cannot see what is happening. The mouse and keyboard are disabled, preventing any local interaction. Let's go ahead and set up privacy mode on the remote computer. Go to Setting, then open the Security section, and enable privacy mode. Click Save All to apply the change. Now when you connect to the remote computer, you can enable privacy mode from the menu on the left. This way, the user at the remote machine won't be able to see what is happening.